Hey guys, welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero. This is Ken. This video is to announce a 3-day giveaway event of our HSK1 Course A. So this covers HSK1 Standard Course Lesson 1 to 8 with 41 instructional videos, including 13 pronunciation videos, 20 grammar videos, and 8 vocabulary videos, plus activities, homework, and projects. You can also comment and have a discussion below every video. So this course sells for $15, but for 3 days only, it'll be free. If you want this course for free, follow these steps. Step 1. Share your favorite video from our channel to your preferred social media platform and take a screenshot of your sharing for proof. Step 2. Send the screenshot to John's WeChat. You can scan the QR code on the screen or add him using his WeChat ID. If you don't have WeChat, it just takes a few minutes to sign up. After signing up, you can add him as a contact. Once you add his contact, send your screenshot via WeChat. Then he'll confirm and send you a coupon code. Step 3. Go to our website and choose HSK1 Course A. And then click on the button that says Enroll in Course for $15. And the last step is to click Add Coupon, and then this course will be free. It's that simple. Again, this giveaway will only last for 3 days, starting immediately, ending on June 4th at 12 a.m. China Standard Time. So if you want to own the HSK1 Course A, now is the perfect time. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.